how to transfer SLC from Kucoin to MetaMask. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your asset overview on Kucoin, then click on withdraw. After that, just select the option of SLC coin and then you need to enter the withdrawal address. For this, simply copy the MetaMask address and make sure that you have added peak network on MetaMask. You can check out that video as well on our channel. And after adding the peak network, simply copy MetaMask address, then paste it over here. After that, select the network, which is peak network. Then over here, select the amount of SLC that you want to transfer. Make sure that it is either in your funding account or your trading account. After that, select the amount, then click on withdraw. And this way, you would be able to withdraw your SLC from your Kucoin to MetaMask. But also make sure that you have peak tokens in your MetaMask in order to do the transactions on MetaMask. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.